Welcome friends to Sheetal's World of Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make restaurant style Pav Bhaji, and along with Pav Bhaji we will also learn how to make Pav Bhaji Masala at home. Delicious, right? So let's start it. Subscribe to my channel, like and share and click on the bell icon if you have not done. Let's see the ingredients for the Pav Bhaji. First we need to boil vegetables. For that I have taken 2 cup peas, 1/4 cup or 2 medium sized carrots, half cup cauliflower, half cup or 2 medium sized potatoes, 1/4 cup or 1 big tomato, 1/4 cup big chopped onion, 1 teaspoon ginger, 2 cloves of garlic. Vegetables you can take according to your choice. Here I am boiling the vegetables in the pressure cooker. Add all the vegetables in the pressure cooker and add 1.5 cup of water. Close the cooker lid and put the whistle on it. After the 2 whistles are done, turn the stove off and let the cooker cool down. Now we will make Pav Bhaji Masala. For Pav Bhaji Masala, we need 2 big Kashmiri dry red chili, 2 medium-sized cinnamon, pinch of hing or asafoetida powder, 2 dry bay leaves, 5 cloves, 5 whole cardamom or elaichi, half teaspoon kasuri methi, that is dried fenugreek leaves, 6 to 7 black pepper. Add all spices into the pan and dry roast them on low flame for almost 4 to 5 minutes or until it turns aromatic. In between, keep on stirring to avoid burning. Off the stove and keep it aside and let it cool down. After it cools down, remove the stem from Kashmiri chili. Add to the grinder and grind until a fine powder. To prevent masala from sticking, grind for a few minutes and then turn off and then grind. Strain the prepared pav bhaji masala powder. Grind the leftover coarse masala and strain it again. After the cooker cools down, open it. Mash boiled veggies with the masher or the hand blender. Let's make the gravy for bhaji. Let's see the ingredients. We need 2 cups small chopped tomatoes, that is 5 medium sized tomatoes, 1 cup small chopped onion, 1/4 cup oil, 10 to 15 small garlic cloves, fresh pav bhaji masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt or as per your taste, 1/4 cup small chopped green bell pepper, also known as Shimla mirch, green chili as per your taste, 1 inch or 1 tablespoon ginger, 1.5 teaspoon lemon juice, pinch of hing, 2 teaspoon dhana jeera powder, 3 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, cilantro for garnishing and butter. Now put the pan on the low flame, add 1/4 cup oil in the pan, add shredded garlic into the oil, stir the garlic for 30 seconds only, add chopped onions and a small cut capsicum or bell pepper. Cook onions and bell pepper until tender. In between, keep on stirring. Now we will add chopped green chili and the ginger and mix it well. Now add chopped tomatoes. Add half teaspoon salt as per gravy. Add 2 teaspoon dhana jeera powder, pinch of hing, and 3 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Kashmiri red chili powder brings a beautiful red color into the gravy and it is very less spicy. Close with the lid and let tomato cook until soft and juicy. Oil started shimmering on the gravy. Now we will add our magic tasty pav bhaji masala into it. 1.5 tablespoon. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix everything. Now add our boiled mashed vegetables in the gravy. Mix everything well. We have also added salt in the gravy, so we will add the remaining salt as per the taste. Add 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix everything well and cook on the low flame. In between, keep on stirring. Now we will add chopped cilantros. Mix everything well. Our bhaji is ready. Now we will toast the pav, that also known as bun, on the griddle. Put on the medium flame. Here I have taken salted butter. If you are taking unsalted butter, add little bit salt. Add red chili powder and grated garlic. Mix everything well. Now we will toast pav in this masala butter. It adds extra flavor and the taste. Once the pav is golden brown in color, flip and cook on the other side. Once cooked, put the pav on a serving plate. Friends, follow all the tips and you can make restaurant style delicious pav bhaji along with the pav bhaji masala at home. Enjoy all the recipes at my channel Sheetal's World of Recipes. Like and share and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.